Hi, I'm Tommy Stanek, co-founder of the Graceful Management Systems. The GMS is a SaaS ERP, which is comprised of a CRM, an estimating tool, scheduling functionality, an accounting system, and even some HR components, all powered by an artificially intelligent engine. The GMS leverages historical data and data it's captured in real time to provide machine-learned estimates and autonomous scheduling for the construction industry. Current construction softwares on the market capture actual progress and costs to provide reports. The GMS uses this real-time data from time clocking, uploaded receipts, bills, and other market feeds to update the estimating templates contractors initially set up and to provide the most time and cost-conscious builds through autonomously managing their active production schedules.